happened? Hey, what happened?
I lost my wallet. I lost my wallet.
Oh, that is too bad. Oh, that is too bad. Was it stolen? Was it stolen?
No, I think it came out of my pocket. No, I think it came out of my pocket. When I was in taxi. When I was in taxi.
Is there anything I can do? Is there anything I can do?
Can I borrow some money? Can I borrow some money?
Sure. How much do you need? Sure. How much do you need?
About $50. About $50.
That's no problem. That's no problem.
Thanks. I will pay you back on Friday. Thanks. I will pay you back on Friday.
That will be fine. Here you are. That will be fine. Here you are.
Where are you going now? Where are you going now?
Now I am going to buy some stuff from general store. Now I am going to buy some stuff from general store. Then I am going to the police station. Then I am going to the police station.
If you wait a minute, I can go with you. I can go with you.
Okay, I will wait for you. Okay, I will wait for you.
Hello, is James there please? Hello, is James there please?
Yes, who is calling? Yes, who is calling?
Mary.
One moment, please.
Oh.
One moment, please.
Okay. Hi, James.
Hello.
It is Mary. It is Mary. What are you doing now? What are you doing now?
I am working. I am working.
Are you busy? Are you busy?
Yes, it has been really busy here all day. Yes, it has been really busy here all day.
What time do you get off of work? What time do you get off of work?
8:30 p.m. 8:30 p.m.
I will call you back after 8:30 p.m. I will call you back after 8:30 p.m.
Okay, talk to you later. Okay, talk to you later.
Bye-bye.
Hello dear, we do hard work so please subscribe. Hello guys, please like and subscribe our channel. For next video, click on this.